Hey Hero Dad Bod, Mike Chrysler here. Today we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite dishes. Super good bodybuilding, stay lean meal, and it is street carne asada tacos. We're going to make our own salsa, green salsa with the good tomatillas and serrano peppers. Have a ton of fun doing this. I'll link everything as far as the recipe goes and all the ingredients, so I'm excited for you guys to watch this. This is gonna be awesome. All right, olive oil, roasted garlic flavor, because I love garlic here, and we're gonna get this nice and heated up. If you wanna make good salsa, you gotta learn what a tomatilla is. So let this get hot, and then we're gonna take the skins off all these tomatillas, and look, it's like almost a little baby tomato in there. So these things are the bomb, but you wanna char them up, get them nice and black on the outside before we stick them into the blender and make our awesome green salsa. I'm doing about 6 of these, and I'll do about 6 serrano peppers when I make that in there. And I've got my cilantro here, and lots of garlic, and then a nice white onion. I put this on high too. I want to get it really, really toasty. It's gonna start frying up here pretty good. Let them go. You don't want to overcook them.
Okay, good.
All right, this becomes a little bit of a party in the pan. You gotta have a little protection here sometimes because you want to get these guys nice and hot. But we'll let the salt, after we get the salsa blended up, we'll chill it up while we go grill out on our meat. But if you want to follow this one, you're not going to be disappointed. Look at that party. Woo! It's like 4th of July in there. All right, so my tomatillas are nice and charred up here, looking good. Look at these bad boys. They are going to be so good. We're going to stick these guys in the blender and have a little party in there. So here we go. Boom. You may need to add water to this, but we'll see. Don't add your water first. Just put all your good veggies in there. Take my serrano pepper. So I've got 6 tomatillas in here. I'm going to just throw these peppers in. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 serrano peppers in there. I love garlic. Garlic is life. It's got healing properties. I'm going to stick a bunch of garlic in there. So these are all going to go into our salsa. I love cilantro in my salsa as well. So we're going to break some of this off there, really fill that up. Yeah, cilantro in our salsa is beautiful. Save a little bit for our toppings for our tacos. We're going to get an onion, peel this onion up here. You know, I talked about this before. I did not eat onions for the first 47 years of my life. I have no idea why. I'm going to throw in the sea salt here. Tablespoon of sea salt is going to go in. Pepper in there. Grind it. All right, a little taste test here. Holy cow, that is so good. Super, super spicy. Nailed it right on the first go round. Yeah, no, that's really good. I'm going to blend that up just a little bit more, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill. All right, we're gonna head out to the grill, and I'm gonna grill up the carne asada, which has been marinated here. Grass-fed beef. This is just a great light slice. I got about a pound of beef here, and I'm gonna go grill that up. Beautiful sunny day here in Hawaii. We are gonna be grilling. Look at that bad boy. Getting some good grill marks on here. This is gonna be so juicy and just amazing. All right, we're back in from the grill. We're gonna chop up a few of the veggies to go on top of our lovely tacos. And just gonna do some white onion here and cilantro, and then get our salsa dish ready. And now you take your cilantro, and again, you don't want to bruise it, so you don't want to be slicing in. Use quick chops in the cilantro. I know you could bruise cilantro. We talked about this with the aguachiles. So if you haven't checked out the aguachile recipe, which is one of my all-time favorite meals, aguachiles, check that out over on YouTube here. Got that going. Now I'm gonna slice up my carne asada here. I just like to do nice little thin slices, okay? Look at how juicy that is though, guys. Look at that. Again, it's been marinating for 24 hours. You can buy it pre-marinated, which I did, or you can make your own. It's a good carne asada marinade. Now I'm just gonna plate a couple of these up here. So real basic, get your meat in there. Get your white onions in there. Street tacos now for the magic touch, the homemade extra spicy salsa, green salsa. We've got our street tacos, carne asada, our onions, our cilantro, and our homemade green salsa. Put them on a flour tortilla shell. Typically when I do tacos, I will have at least 2 with regular shells, but I really like to enjoy a little bit of carbohydrates, but again, a low carbohydrate lifestyle. Now, of course, our camera guy's got to be in on this taste test too, so I'm going to hand that over to him. There you go, Brandon. Enjoy the moment of truth. Here we go. Nailed it. That is a good, juicy taco. All the flavors coming through, the meat, the salsa is dynamite. Wow. All right, hey, thanks for watching today's episode on Hero Dad Bod, making carne asada tacos. If you like this, please definitely like the video down here, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Love to get as much of this content out to deliver as much value as I can. Have any questions, also hit me up in the comments below. All right, take care of yourself, be happy, be healthy, be fit. Get it.